muffin man, the muffin man, the muffin man.
A monkey.
Do you know
This
the muffin
is a
man who
monkey.
lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Alligator.
Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
A zebra. This is a zebra. A bird. This is a bird. A peacock. This is a peacock. The next point is a lion. This is a lion. A leopard.